We think you will love this pre-owned 2010 Ford Super Duty F-350 SRW 4-wheel drive crew cab 156 inches Lariat, which has 64,785 miles. It comes fully equipped with 2 front tow hooks, 157 mph alternator, 176 wheelbase, and many other features. Please call us for a walk-around description of the vehicle or to schedule a test drive.